happy, humans? What? You're not happy? Well, turn that frown upside down because today we're playing with a Star Wars Play-Doh set. Woohoo! Before we get started, I have to admit that I have been avoiding these can head Play-Doh sets like the plague, just because it looks like, you're paying for so much and getting so little. The can heads are just the jars with characters on them. But I got this one for a great deal, and I'm going to check it out and see if they're worthwhile. I'm really excited about this. May the Force be with us! Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside.
This is a video. Here's their Star Wars ship.
Okay, see right away, we've got a lot of little plastic pieces. We have this gigantic ship.
A bunch of Play-Doh.
Woo! And here are all of our can heads. Let's see who's in here. There's Han Solo.
And a girl.
Princess Leia.
She's gonna ride in a plane today.
Luke. Chewbacca. And Darth Vader.
That's all we have.
Okay, so we're gonna open up this little box of pieces, or this little bag of pieces. Those over there. Okay. Woo, what is all this? That one looks like a gun. And another gun. Oh, maybe each one has two parts. I think each one has two parts, maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. Alright, it looks like we've got a lot of weaponage going on. And this thing. So let's figure out how this works. Woo!
Guys, look at my tower ring.
Look, a can head can launch that. Woo! Okay, let's see. Alright, let's just start opening Play-Doh and see what we've got. Open up Chewbacca.
I want to put the Play-Doh in.
You want to put some Play-Doh in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's figure out. Okay, it looks like
Chewbacca.
this folds in and you can make like a 3D ship with it. So let's try that. Ship real quick.
I'm gonna close it on up.
Alright, I'm just going to push that down for me. Does it work? Does it need more Play-Doh? Ah!
It worked.
Okay, that ship's looking awesome. Loving that. Okay, what else can we do?
There's a bunch of Play-Doh here.
Okay, let's see what this one is. Just kind of start pressing Play-Doh in. It looks like a moon or planet. Okay, what else? There's a bullet. Oh, but can you make it 3D? Let's see if we have a mold. I don't know. Where do you put these? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, you can make another ship on this side. All right, let's try a different color. Open up Han Solo here.
This one.
Ah! Okay,
It's red.
you want to do red?
Yeah.
All right, here, we'll make a blue ship and then we can do red for the next thing.
I'll do
Okay,
blue.
so this is the ship. Sit down. Ah! Oh, how cool is that? Is that the X-Wing fighter? I think it's an X-Wing fighter. Ah, it's been a long time since I've seen Star Wars. Let's see. Woo!
Yeah, I haven't seen Star Wars before too.
Alright, that is so cool. That is a nice ship. So these little pieces, they have storage right here. You can just slide them right on in. Woo! That is so cool. And you can make all kinds of weapons using these, lightsabers and guns. This looks like a water bottle, but I'm sure it's something else. Cool. And
The engines.
cool. Okay, I've got a little red gun here. Ah! Come off of there. Let's see, can you make the guns 3D if you... the guns are all different. I'm wanting to make them 3D, but it doesn't really look like it's possible. Okay, so there's a gun. Some weaponage. This looks like Han Solo's pistol. Okay, so we've got a few ships here. What happened to the blue one? There we go. We've got a few ships. I'm just going to go ahead and make everything that this makes. There's another gun over here. I'm trying to think, who had guns in Star Wars? Han Solo had a gun. Ah! The stormtroopers had guns. Where did it go? I dropped the Play-Doh. I dropped it. No! Let's see what this one looks like. So in the mold it looks like a water bottle. Let's see what it actually is. I still don't know what that is. Alright, well let's make some bullets to launch. There's this giant missile right here that we can form. Missilage! Okay. Alright. Launch the missile, Luke! Woo! Okay, well that's pretty fun. Woo! Lobbing missiles at some ships over here. Alright, let's see if we can hit it. Let's see, there's our ship. Ooh. Aim for the ship. Alright, Luke, take that ship down. Ah! We almost got it. It was so close. What are you doing, Laura? Is that a missile? Okay. We almost got it. Okay. Oh! Ah! So close. Try again. Ah! No! That was worse. Boom! Ah! Ah! Come on!
I need my blue.
Come on, Luke. You're a Jedi. You're supposed to be good at this. Ah! That was super close. Here, Laura. Ah! It's either behind it or over it. I can't hit it. No! Ready? Steady? Alright, Luke. I've lost my faith in you. Let's try somebody else. Ah, Chewbacca. Chewbacca can get this job done. Come on, Chewbacca. Ah! No! Alright, maybe the problem isn't the person. Maybe we're using the wrong weapon. Let's try a new missile. Ooh, here's a cool one back here. Alright, we've got a new missile to work with. Okay, ready? Alright, Chewbacca. Get the ship. No! Ah! This one flies really far. That's got some serious speed on it. Oh! Come on, get the ship. Yes, we got it. All right, way to go, Chewbacca. Party down. Woo! So while I'm over here with Chewbacca, I'm going to see where we can place our can heads. And it looks like they can go there, they can go there, and there. On here if you want to get launched into space. And there are 3 spaces back here. And they have little molds for different things in them, but there are also places where the can heads can sit. So we have lots of areas for our can heads. Woo!
I made
This makes it a lot pretty sweet. What is this down here?
I made a can
that just
head.
pushes it up. You made a can head? Okay, we've got these 2 little things on the side. Oh look, here's 2 more spaces for people. That's cool. So the can heads can go anywhere. And is this? Woo! What is this in here? Okay, there's all kinds of cool things you can make. There's another one. Okay, put some back in here. Which one of these have I not tried? Oh, this looks like a pretty sweet gun. I have to try this one. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna give this one on to Han Solo. Where you at, bro? Where did Hans go? Here's Hans. Where's his lid? I'm missing my lid. Okay, Hans has the blue lid. All right, Hans. Ready to go fight those stormtroopers? Woohoo!
Here's a bottle for you, Hans.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so like I said, there's several of these little pieces that I really don't know what they are. But, all right. Off to battle. Woo! Oh, we forgot Leia! Hold on, Leia, get in the ship! Get in the ship, Leia! Wait, why is Darth Vader in here? Okay. We don't want this guy in our ship. Alright, here we go. We're gonna fly away from Darth. Woo!
Hey, don't forget for your gun. Don't forget for another gun. Don't forget.
Oh, okay, look, Gaz has another gun for us. Hey, while I'm at it, I'm gonna check underneath and see. Okay, that's what the underside looks like. Nothing to do there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and slip my panels back in here because I am ready to go fight the dark side. Alright, oh, I did a great job on this little gun. That is so cute. Okay.
I'm making more of the thing.
Hans, get us out of here. Woo. Okay, well, overall, this is a really fun set. I like that you can make the ships and that you can launch missiles at them. I still feel like these can head sets are a little overpriced for what they are. Because there's just, I mean, they have the can heads, which should add extra play because you're putting a character sticker on the cans. But it seems like they have the can heads and then they kind of reduce the amount of play in the molds, the Play-Doh molds that usually come with the set. So I don't know, I still think it's a little overpriced, but it is super cute and my boys are going to love this. They're both in school right now, so when they get home we'll have them play with that and I think that they're really gonna like it. Lots of weapons, lots of fun things with this set. Ooh, we forgot one of these right there. And I do like that you can snap these extra pieces on the back here so that they don't get lost. That is one thing with Play-Doh. It seems like we pull them out and there's only like half a set to work with because the pieces get lost. So that is really nice that everything attaches to the ship here. Alright, Laura, can you say bye, happy humans?
Bye, happy Harvard.
If you like this video, let us know by clicking the like button below. Bye! Okay, whoops, I almost forgot. We have this little piece, which it will also connect with the ship and kind of stay with it. We're going to see what this makes. I'm thinking that it must be R2-D2.
More chicken.
You want more chicken? We're about to go to lunch with Daddy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to stick some blue in there. Oh, it is. It's R2-D2. What does the other side do? Okay, so let's see. That looks like a hatch of some sort. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make an R2-D2 to sit in our ship with us. Because we just cannot take off without our little buddy R2-D2. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. No, come out. No. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here he is. Just gonna set him so he's like popping his little head out over there. And now they can go. Oh, where's Hans? Oh, Hans, hold on, we need Hans. Alright. Got Hans. Got R2-D2, and we're out of here.